If there is a fault with your boiler, then the fault code will show on your screen, for example F1, L2 or F3. Details of any fault codes can be located in the service and installation manual. There are certain faults that may not require a service engineer call out. On this particular video we will be covering F1. When the water pressure drops below 1 bar, you will experience no heating and hot water. Topping up the pressure is quick and easy using the filling loop located underneath the boiler on the pipework to get your boiler up and running. This can be done by moving both blue taps a quarter turn until the pressure gauge is at 1.5 bar. Then turn both blue taps back to the original position. You may hear water flowing through the pipe during this process. If you're ever concerned about topping up your water pressure, then you can contact our customer service team 7 days a week for assistance.